Hello awesome people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Getty and this is One Gem, where we are all about styling our natural hair and looking good while doing it. I'm so excited. We have reached 100 subscribers. Yay! And to celebrate, we're having a giveaway on Wednesday. All you have to do is 1. Be subscribed to my channel. 2. Like and comment on this video. 3. Take a screenshot of my channel, share it on your Instagram and tag me. That's it, and you can be a winner. Good luck, my awesome people. So today I'm going to show you how to do this really cool braided bun updo. We're starting off with washed hair. Section a part in the middle that will be braided. Feel free to personalize this style and put the braids on any side that you prefer. Once you have sectioned off the hair, you can go ahead and divide it in half and then into 3 sections on each side. Do remember to secure the sections off using bobby pins so they don't bother you while you're doing the plait. I am then going to apply a little bit of flaxseed gel to the sections and then plait them. Once you have braided the hair, take the hair and place it into the bead. I decided to use 3 beads on each hair, but once again, this is completely up to you and you can decide how many beads you prefer. Then continue braiding or plaiting the next section and remember to cross the hair over each other to create an X effect. Remember to apply the gel to make the braid look super sleek. Once you are done with plaiting, it's time to section off your hair and to start with applying our flaxseed gel. I like working from the back and work myself to the front. It just helps with slicking the ponytail much more. I know you guys have requested for a video on how to make flaxseed gel. I am working on it, guys, so it will be ready really soon. Go ahead and apply more gel if need be, and brush the hair down. This actually looks cute, and you can end here if you like, but I'm going to plait my hair down to add a ponytail later. And of course, we have to lay the edges. You guys want to understand, I really love my edges laid. Although I am still getting there, I'm enjoying the process. So go ahead and lay your edges. Just make sure you really brush the hair down. Add gel if required. Once you are happy with the ponytail, put on your satin or silk scarf or head wrap and let it sit for about 45 minutes. Now look at that! Flaxseed gel never disappoints. I am in love with this gel, you guys. Next, get your Yaki braid. Remove the rubber band We will use it later. Replace it with an elastic band. It's stronger and most definitely will keep your hair in place. Secure it onto your hair and then section off a part of the Yaki braid and start twisting it. Once at the end, secure it with a rubber band. Give it a swirl or just to loosen it up a bit, and then secure it with a rubber band. Then I'm going to wrap it all around to cover my bun and pin the end of the twist to my hair to secure it. With the remaining hair, I'm going to make 2 plaits and plait each one all the way down. When I'm done, I'm going to put 2 beads on each plait and then wrap it around the bun and secure it with bobby pins. And that is the finished look, ladies and gentlemen, and I really like it. Thank you for watching, and guys, do not forget to take part in our giveaway. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.